So today I'm going to talk you through starting your own edible garden. So I've got a window box here that I've filled up with multi-purpose peat-free compost, and I've added a little bit of grit just to make sure that there's good drainage, because herbs do need a little bit of drainage. And I've got 4 different herbs here just for a bit of variety. So I've got a variegated oregano called Country Cream. I've got a curry plant, a thyme, nice easy one to grow, and I've got a pineapple mint, so just a little bit different than your normal mint. And you'll notice as I'm doing this, I'm putting the trailing things towards the edges and the taller things in the middle, and then you can tease the roots a little bit just to help them root down into the trough as they grow. I'm just going to make a little hole in here and pop it in. Next I'm going in with the curry plants there, and next I'm going to put the pineapple mint in, just making a hole for the thyme. Okay, so I have filled this up with more multi-purpose compost and topped it off with some washed gravel. So all I'm going to do now is give it a nice water and put it somewhere sunny, and this will continue to produce herbs for the rest of the summer.